Hi friends, this is Prashant Shiva from Simply Tamla. Today I am going to explain you how to fix the cold battery alert using a Telesin battery in GoPro camera. Let's see. This is a very simple trick you can do without any issue, and I will give you a 100% guarantee this trick's gonna work for you perfectly without any issue in any GoPro 9, 10 and 11 cameras. Okay, let's watch this video without any skip and do the same whatever I does in this video. Okay, let's go to the video. Now today I am going to explain you how to fix the cold battery alert using a Telesin battery in a GoPro 11 camera. This trick works with 10, 9 and 11 also GoPro camera. This is a new edition of GoPro 11 Black. Okay, I am using a Telesin 10 or 9 battery. First of all, we need an original battery to work this trick. Okay, I am taking an original battery and a Telesin battery. Whenever you insert this battery into the GoPro camera, it shows a cold battery alert. Okay, let's check the alert. I am turning on the camera. Here you can see only use a GoPro battery. Okay, here you can see a cold alert, cold battery alert. Your GoPro battery is below 0 degree. The display turns off during recording to optimize operation and runtime. This error it's showing. This is a major issue whenever you inserting a Telesin battery into a GoPro. Okay, we continue with OK. Here you can only use a GoPro battery. Okay, performance will with any other battery is not guaranteed. This is not an issue. We can again select OK. Here we can see here we can see the battery shows only 1%. Okay, with 1% charging, but the battery is fully charged. I will show you this trick. First of all, we turn on the once we check with recording. Whenever we start recording, here you can see a red light is blinking, but the display get turned off while using this Telesin battery. This is the error, major error while using a Telesin battery. Here also you can see the red light gets blinking and the display get turned off. This is the issue, main issue while using a Telesin battery. But the record will works continuously without any issue because this battery is fully charged, and here you can see but 1% only. Here you can see it shows only 1%, but the issue is not that. We can use this trick. First of all, you take a GoPro battery and insert into the camera, GoPro camera. Here light get blinks, and remove this battery. Within fraction of second, insert this Telesin battery into this. Okay, and again you turn on. You can see same issue and same cold battery alert because we done a mistake. Again I will show you what's the mistake. We need to take a GoPro original battery, insert this battery and remove and insert this quickly within a fraction of seconds, and here you can see boom. Here you can see the charging shows 100%. It is fully charged, and here I used a Telesin battery. This is a simple trick everyone can do. If you have a Telesin battery, don't waste your money. Just have an original battery, one original battery, and use this battery without any error. And again we can check by recording this camera. I turn on the recording. Here you can see it doesn't turn off the display, and here also you can see it doesn't turn off the display. Simple trick everyone can do. I hope you understand. Again we will try. I am again inserting this Telesin battery and turning on the camera. Here you can see your file is being repaired because it is under recording. Here you can see use only GoPro battery. You can select this button. Wait, okay, it's gone. Again you can see 1% with error. Okay, I am again turning on the camera recording. Here you can see it works perfectly with 1%. Here also it's work perfectly. The camera display doesn't turns off. We can use the original battery again. Insert this battery, the light gets blink. Remove this and within fraction of second insert this Telesin battery into this. That's it. This is a simple trick everyone can do without any error. You can see same 96% charging is available in this Telesin battery. I am using a Telesin battery. Okay, this is a simple trick you can do and very easy. No waste of money if you have already purchased this battery. Okay, I am removing this. That's all. I hope you understand how this trick works. This trick works with GoPro 9, 10 and 11 also with the same batteries. Okay, without any issue. You use this same trick whatever I done without any skip. Okay, I hope you'll enjoyed this video and it was very helpful, I think. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video. Thank you.